Like a famous fairy tale, 1141 Cobblestone is just right. This house and neighborhood are not too big, not too small, they're just right. The private lot and classic front porch will speak to you, while the open floor plan and natural light will wow you. If swim/tennis are your thing, then just walk up the street and bring your racket and a towel. Zoned for one of the top school districts in the country and located just minutes from downtown Athens and the University of Georgia, this is a reasonably priced home that is sure to have a ton of interest. Be the one who gets it first and live the fairy tale life you have dreamed about at 1141 Cobblestone Lane.